In a world where technology is evolving, we forgot to live with nature. Where we forgot that Mother Nature is the only thing which can give us real peace. Where likes and comments are more important than living with harmony and love. Cutting trees, killing animals, using plastic for what? Peace. Burning cities, killing humans, rioting for what? Religion. Do we really think religious problem is more important than global warming? Is that Mother Nature deserve? Ask your inner voice, do you like who we are?